Hello and welcome back to your geography class. We are going to start a chapter number 6 जो कि है about human environment interactions. So in this case, in this chapter, we have discussed about two types of environments, environment of Amazon forest and actually not the forest of Amazon basin. And for the other part, we have discussed one of the examples from India that is about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So authentically, basins we have discussed, kind of environment that is present in there, we have discussed about that too in the chapters part. Ab bari hai to talk about the questions given at the back of the chapter. So here is our question number 1. About answer the following questions. So name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. So we just have to give the name of the continent, but it is answer the following, not one word. So you have to write a statement. So the answer is Amazon basin is located in South America. हमारा आंसर ओरिजिनली वन वर्ड का था बट हमें आंसर फ्रेमिंग करनी है सो प्लीज कंसिडर whether one word is written or answer the following is written. If answer the following is there, you have to frame a sentence. Next question, what are the crops grown by the people of the Amazon basin? So we have to give the names of the crops that are grown in the Amazon basin by the people living over there. So जो भी वो रूटीन में खाते हैं या whatever they grow for the export part also हम सारी consider कर सकते हैं. So the people of the Amazon basin mainly grow the following crops. Food crops में they do grow tapioca, pineapple, sweet potato, manioc, or cash crops for the selling purpose, whether for export or selling within the continent itself or nation itself. They are coffee, maize, cocoa. That is. Then name the birds that are found in there within the rainforest of the Amazon basin. Within the Amazon forest, there lies the Amazon River's basin as well as the rainforest that are the largest rainforests of the world. तो यहाँ पे किस तरीके के बर्ड्स पाए जाते हैं, अगेन वी हैव टू गिव द नेम्स ऑफ देम. तो इसमें आपको सिर्फ आंसर दे सकती हूँ, याद करना अगेन आप ही का काम है. सो दे आर फ्यू ऑफ देम. टुकन्स हैं, हमिंग बर्ड्स हैं, बर्ड्स ऑफ पैराडाइज हैं. सो पैराडाइज दे आर वाइब्रेंट कलरफुल बर्ड्स, मल्टी कलर्ड होते हैं. Toucans and hummingbirds, they do produce the sound of likewise. So hummingbird इसीलिए नाम पड़ा है उनका. Next question, what are the major cities located on the river Ganga? It means Ganga river is flowing by either or side of those particular cities, and major cities we are talking about. So here are some names, actually majority of the names. Prayagraj, Kanpur, also known as Allahabad, where Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, these three of the rivers meet and create संगम, जहाँ पर कि क्या होता है, कुंभ का मेला लगता है. So कुंभ के स्नान होते हैं. कानपुर, वाराणसी, also known as Banaras in the ancient time, Lucknow, Patna, Kolkata, also known as Calcutta या Calcutta. So these are few cities. They are situated by the river Ganga or by their either or tributaries or distributaries particularly. Next question, where is the one-horned rhinoceros found? एक सींग वाला rhinoceros. So where it is found exactly? One-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra basin, particularly state is Assam. Next question about tick the correct answers, kind of MCQs. तो हमारा पहला question है, toucans are a type of birds. Without any doubt, हमने अभी पढ़ा था. Animals, crops, certainly not so, क्योंकि हमने अभी पढ़ा था. हाँ, चैप्टर में भी हमने डिस्कस किया है. नेक्स्ट इज मैनियॉक इज द स्टेपल फूड ऑफ Amazon, हमने अभी पढ़ा था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कोलकाता इज लोकेटेड ऑन द रिवर, हमने अभी पढ़ा था. हुगली, now you must be looking at this thing कि why I have marked Hooghly, क्योंकि हमने तो गंगा नदी पढ़ा था. So don't get it wrong. Hooghly is the, as I said, there are tributaries and distributaries of Ganga river on whose banks the major cities of India are located. So this is one of them, Hooghly river. And why am I saying कि अभी पढ़ा था? As over there they are written in the question answer form, and over here they are in the form of MCQs. So as I always used to say, the questions can come in any form. Answer should be same and you should stick to the answer. Correct one, of course. Next is Deodars and firs are a type of which type of trees? So they are the type of coniferous trees. Then next is Bengal tiger is found in Amazon Delta area mountain. So Bengal tiger is famous within the state West Bengal itself, and that lies by the Delta region. So Delta area will be the answer. Amazon South America है और हम Bengal tiger की बात करें, of course the part of India. We have match the following. Column A, column B, almost equivalent options, but two are more for the answer part. Iska matlab, we have to look keener for the answers. Cotton textile. Sericulture, not so slanting roof, not so Ganga plain. So cotton textile, very good in Ganga plains. Maloka. So Maloka fish, Varanasi, slanting roof, terrace farming, Assam, so slanting roof. Piranha is a type of fish. Silkworm is reared up in the sericulture. So basically ये silk का farming है. Then Kaziranga, it lies in which state? तो state के नाम पे we just have one. So Kaziranga is also famous for Kaziranga National Park, also wildlife sanctuary. Assam, so the last option is 5. And one horned rhinoceros is found over here in the Kaziranga National Park. So these are the match the following, the parts and their answers with us. Give reasons. Again, the statement is with us, that is giving us some information, and we just have to give the relevant points just to explain that point because the topics or the statements are correct itself. So the rainforests are depleting. Major reason can be the overpopulation, overusing, overconsumption of the forest trees or forest wood. So along with that, what else is there? We have to find out. तो पढ़ते हैं. The rainforests are depleting due to following reasons. बहुत सारी रीजन हो सकते हैं. डिप्लीटिंग का मतलब कमी आ जाना. रेन फॉरेस्ट में जहाँ पे इट रेन्स for the majority part of the year, majority time of the year. So we are talking about the world's largest rainforest, Amazon rainforest. तो इसका पहला रीजन है the indigenous population जो यहाँ पे century से लोग रह रहे थे was pushed out for the developmental activities. So the first reason is development activities which is leading to the destruction of rainforest. So our first point. Second is large scale deforestation for construction part. Construction of roads, industries, houses can be for anything, but the major concern or the major point to consider over here is for the construction part, the forests are depleting. For getting wood के लिए भी from the forest in order to increase the economical profit, because rainforests do carries, not carries actually, carries का मतलब उठाने वाला carry नहीं है over here. If I'm using this word, carries means it is containing. So yes, for an option you can use it, but it won't be the apt word. तो suitable word जो यहाँ पे रहेगा, that these rainforests do have hardwood trees, and hardwood trees are quite expensive. They are of great economical values. तो इन hardwood trees को cut किया जाता है just for the selling purpose. Selling के बाद there are certain tasks to be done with them. Furniture के लिए, ships के लिए, various concerns. Paddy is grown. Rice is grown in the Ganga Brahmaputra plains because they are quite fertile region, and they are one of the fertile plains of the world to be considered in the terms of fertility. तो paddy requires sufficient amount of water जो ये rivers गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र इनकी distributaries available कराती हैं. So paddy requires sufficient water and fertile soil की वजह से first reason आ गया है. This region receives good amount of rainfall. Second reason आ गया है, it is connected to the water, but we are receiving it naturally with the rainfall. There is dense network of rivers which help to fulfill the requirement of water for paddy. Water is common in these 3 points, but in individual reference. Additionally, this region has fertile alluvial soil. तो address करें हमने जो first point किया है discuss यहाँ पे, that is addressing the sufficient water and fertile soil. So the other continuing points are explaining water and fertility only, एज यहाँ पे हमने फर्टिलिटी के लिए पर्टिकुलर सॉइल का नाम भी लिख दिया है. सो everything is there for the explanation part of the answer. So that was all about your questions class for chapter number 6. Soon we are going to catch up for the extra questions class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.